My AI email agent replied to the same customer like a stranger 47 times in a row. Same thread, same person. Zero memory. If you're building an AI agent in make.com and wondering why it feels dumber than ChatGPT free tier, this is why. I'll show you the one architectural gap nobody in the Make versus N8N debate talks about, and the exact pattern that fixes it. Most videos argue ease of use. That's the wrong fight. I've shipped production agents in both platforms for clients. Let me show you what actually broke and how we fixed it in 12 nodes. Here's the setup. A small services business, roughly 400 Gmail threads a day landing in their support inbox. Quotes, follow-ups, invoice questions, the usual. They wanted an AI agent that triages, drafts a reply, and pings the owner on Telegram when something needs a human. Classic solopreneur pain. 2 to 4 hours a day gone to inbox triage. We prototyped it in make.com in about a weekend. Gmail trigger, GPT-4 module, Telegram output. Beautiful. Clicked run. Worked on the first email. Then the second email came in from the same customer, replying to the draft the agent had just sent. And GPT-4 answered like it had never seen this person before. No context, no history. Hi, how can I help you today? To a customer mid-conversation. That's the failure. And it's not a prompt problem. It's an architecture problem. Make.com slanios are stateless by design. Every execution starts from zero. The scenario finishes, the memory evaporates. Yes, data stores exist, but every read and every write costs operations. And on a 400 thread a day workload, you burn through the 10,000 ops tier before the second week of the month. We measured it. 2,000 ops a day, minimum, once you add dedup, thread lookup, and history writes. That's the $99 tier maxed by day 14, and you still don't have real memory. You have a key value table you're paying per hit to query. Here's the split. Nobody frames correctly. The Make versus N8N debate is not beginner versus developer. It's stateless versus stateful. If your automation is fire and forget, form submission goes to Slack. New Stripe charge post to a channel, Make wins on speed to build. But the moment your agent needs to remember something between runs, customer history, conversation threads, which leads you already contacted, which invoices you already sent, Make fights you and charges you for the privilege. N8N flips that. Self-hosted on a small server, marginal cost per execution is 0. You get static data on every workflow, which is basically a free persistent variable store. You get a native Postgres node. You can wire a real memory layer into your agent in about 20 minutes. Same logic we built in Make, rebuilt in N8N, came out to 12 nodes. If your agent is losing money because it can't remember a customer between emails, that's exactly the kind of thing we fix at BizflowAI.io. Go take a look. Real client solutions, not demos. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next automation breakdown lands in your feed.